Hello, Kamcho, how are you? Fine? I hope Bada Majama Asho. So, yesterday we started a small conversation in our group, like introducing yourself. Out of, I think, 100 members are there in this group, but only few members, 5 or 6 or 7 members introduce themselves. बस एक आ પર્ટિક્યુલર વસ્તુ આપને લાઈફમાં આગળ વધતા રોકે છે and that is out of the comfort zone કંઈ પણ કરવાનું આવે when there is something and that is out of your comfort zone that feels you awkward, but all the awkward things are very important in your life for your progress. I must say you have to come out of comfort zone. Your circle, your comfort circle is very dangerous for you. I know that when I'm just conversing with you right now, there may be many mistakes in my English also, but who cares? And why should I care? So don't worry about it. Yesterday very few members participated, but today I hope there would be more members to participate in today's task. So today's task is I think we should go for telephonic conversation. Telephone, cell phone, mobile phone is very important for us right now. In our daily life, without a phone, it is impossible to live. We can today's youth, we can live without food, but without phone, it's almost impossible. So phone is very important to build your personality also. When you call somebody or when somebody calls you, and the conversation between you and the caller, that builds your personality. The words, the sentences, and the language that you use in that different conversation, that gives a kind of that create a kind of personality in the mind of the person who is on the other side. So when you call somebody or when you are on the call, you should follow some of the English, very easy English sentences that will create your brand, you can say that will help you to create a good personality. And here are some of the, let me give you some of the sentences that you should use during the conversation. When you call somebody, like most of all we call formally to a friend or something like that, relatives, or so we don't ask for a name or something, hello, and we start. Hello is very important also. Hello, hello, hello. These are the, so hello, 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 hello. That should that hello sound should sound that start building your personality. So when you call somebody, first of all, just use these 2 or 3 sentences. Just write. You can say, I would like to talk Mr. or I would like to talk जो भी नाम है. I would like to talk Raviraj. I would like to talk Shalini. I would like to talk Rohini. You can use all these. I would like to talk. I would like to talk. Or you can use this particular sentence also. Is this Shalini? Is this Raviraj? Is this Rohini? Is this Mira? Is this Ravibai, Rajubai? So is this dash? You can use this one also. These are very simple sentences that you should use during your conversation. When they say yes, this is Raviraj, Shivraj, who is there? So you can, when they ask you who is there, here that particular introduction that yesterday you practiced is very important. So every session will be connected to each other. When the caller says who is there, who is on the other side, yes, I am Raviraj, who is there, Then give your introduction. My name is that, and I'm from just then I'm from all these things. Give a small brief introduction of 2 or 3 lines, and suddenly say, if you don't mind, may I take your 2 or 3 minutes, please? That particular concern is very important. If you don't mind, may I take your 2 or 3 minutes, please? And you can also use this particular sentence that you can say, is it right time to call? Is it right time to call? This particular sentence also very important to build your personality. The other person definitely will say, yeah, it's right time to call. Yes, carry on. Then put your whatever you want to convey, that I want to inform you that. I want to inform you that. Use this particular sentence. I want to inform you that. And see the magic. And then rest of the things, if you don't know in English, just use Gujarati words. I want to inform you that અમારી ઘરે એક પ્રસંગ છે અને આપે જરૂરથી આવવાનું છે અને ઇન્વિટેશન દેવા માટે આપને કોલ કર્યો છે. That is it. I want to inform you that આવતીકાલે એક નાનકડી મીટિંગ રાખેલી છે અને આપને બી એમાં હાજર રહેવાનું છે. This is it. I want to inform you that ફલાણા આપણા એક સગા હતા, એમ બીમાર હતા, એમનું ડેથ થઈ ગયું છે. This is what I want to inform you that. Then put your 2 or 3 or 4 lines matter that you want to convey. And at last say, thank you for your time. It's nice to talk to you. These 2 or 3 lines, thank you for your time. Thank you for your concern. Thank you for your concern. Thank you for your time. It's really nice to talk to you. And then say bye. So these are few words, 4 to 5 sentences. First, let me repeat all 4 to 5 sentences that you are going to use on your next telephonic conversation today. You can also practice this conversation and put in the groups, and you can send voice messages also. So these 4 to 5 lines that you are gonna use in your telephonic conversation today, and then make it a habit to use these sentences as a daily routine. So first of all, is this or I would like to talk. Then say, is it right time to connect, or is it right time to talk? May I take your 2 or 3 minutes? Then say, I want to inform you that. And finally, thank you for your time. It is always nice to talk to you. Thank you. So this is what today's simple lesson are. You have to use these sentences for today at least for 10 to 15 times during different conversations. First start calling your quite near friends, and that will give you a kind of confidence, and that will help you to practice these sentences. So and that is today's task, a telephone conversation. Once you master on these 3 or 5, 4, 5, 6 sentences, we'll also add a few more sentences during next videos. So start doing these 4 to 5 telephonic conversation today, and hope you definitely will be able to remove your fear. This is nothing else to remove your fear, to come out of the comfort zone. હર બાર all the time કંઈક કરવું છે, મન થઈ જાય છે, પણ લાસ્ટ ટાઈમ ઘણા લોકો તો પેલું માઇક લઈને મેં જોયું કે ઓડિયો રેકોર્ડિંગ કરીને પછી નથી કરવું. Don't do that. Just that final push. I'm here to give you that final push. Just jump and enjoy Without English, it will be very difficult for you to survive in the future as a parent, as a student, as a businessman, as a job seeker person, as a human being. Without English, it will be very difficult for you. And at that time, when you need that particular practices of English, you won't get time. At that time, you will not. You will be very, don't repent. Better to start today. So this is what for today. Thank you. We are meeting at